Good evening, everyone. This is my second attempt at the video with Brett Ledbetter on building your inner coach. A few things that I needed to do was write down what impacted me the most and one or two improvements and how I can share this. So one thing that I struggle with is handling failure the same as handling success. As a coach, after watching Brad Stevens' reaction to the Butler-Gonzaga game, this struck a chord with me. I tend to get very excited as a coach, very emotional. I tend to try to fire the group up. I have a lot of passion in baseball, and sometimes that passion can be exceeded just a bit much. But sometimes in baseball, it's very easy to get lulled to sleep. So sometimes we have to try to get our athletes up and get into the game and wake up, per se. So this is something that I've been working on, trying to calm my nerves, trying to be more steady Eddie and more even. Ways that I can share this with my students is to lead by example, and I also want to show them this video and ask them what their goals are and how we can achieve them through the process. Ways I can share this with my coaches is to watch the video and talk about how we want to coach as a group. What are our goals as a group, as coaches? I think it's very important that we have our own goals, because if we don't seem like we're on the same page, our athletes are going to feel it and they're not going to believe it. Ways I can share this with teachers is talk about composure. You know, if a student comes up and answers a question, or he raises his hand to answer the question and it's way off, do we make fun of him? Or do we ask them why they answered that way, or give them another possibility, like, well, what about this scenario? Far too often, I know a few teachers at our high school that really like to make fun of the kids or are just absolutely rude, and I feel bad for them, and I am embarrassed for the teacher, because that's not how we teach. Students aren't going to learn that way. They're going to shut down. And one thing I'm going to try to improve on is I have issues focusing on the present, being a new coach, so my goal is to worry about what I can control, not what other things around me are happening. And this has to do with the last quote Brad Stevens gave, and it says, "I don't care about the results as long as our guys leave it all on the court. If my team, my athletes leave everything on the field, I can't complain. Physical mistakes are going to happen, but mental mistakes are what we have to worry about. So if we leave it all out there with physical mistakes, it's okay. I can be okay with that." Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.